What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Today we are going to be working on the Subaru. She is my daily driver, and I do just need to keep up with the maintenance and all the jazz with it. It has a fresh motor in it. I just did an EJ swap on it, and I just need to be keeping up with the oil. At least we're in the shop today. I do have to pull the El Camino out though, just to have enough room to really work on the Subaru. I got all these parts out here that I'm trying to downsize. We got Maya out here. She's gonna lend a hand. She's got that Kirsties'Karz merch on. Let's see that. Yeah, some custom hoodies made for them. Heck yeah. But still need to wash the L because it's dusty from me grinding and sanding on the Nova. But yeah. Pull her out, make room so that way I can just work with the Subaru really easy. And I need to find my jack because the jack is somewhere. Might be in the other shop.
Want me to go look?
Sure. Maya found the jack. There we go. Let's do this. What do you say, Maya? Let's go. Let's do this. Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock.
You roll that jack right on over here. We're just gonna back her on out. She's been really cold, so it's kind of good that we started anyway. And every so often, you know, when you don't drive it for a while, you want to start it and get the juices flowing. Okay, so open the door. And then down here,
You push it or pull it?
pull it. Yeah, there we go. And then come here and you lift up, and then you see down in there that little tab. Push that over. Bam. And we also got my other miscellaneous Subaru pieces that need to throw back on here. This connects to the air box right here. And then before I do that, I have to, down in here, if you see.
Isn't it hot?
No.
Yeah.
So that needs to be held snug like this. It looks like we got a bug in there. I'll probably unclip this and bang out that filter. It's Canon, so you can reuse those ones. But this bolt, I need to tighten down a little bit more, and then it'll sit flush enough to where it'll reach right here. 2 snap clips go in there, and then that's the top cover that goes over my intercooler and stuff, so that'll go last. But we're gonna do the oil. Alright, so I already had some royal purple before my engine blue, so I'm going to use that. And I got a new filter. So we got our supplies, we got some crush washers. I'm not really sure if this motor has a crush washer on it. I know the last motor that I had in here, I used crush washers like every single time, and it just really worked, and I never had leaks. So I just went ahead and kept doing what worked, you know, because that's what you do. But I guess I'll get under there and find out here soon enough if it has one or not. And if it does, then I am prepared. And if not, then we won't use it. Because why do I need to? It's not leaking, and heck yeah. So, she doesn't want to get stuff in her eyes, which I can't blame her. So, heck yeah. Let's go.
Safety goggles.
Heck yeah. Right there is the bolt we need to pull.
Yeah.
Yep. So, we need to get the oil pan. Find an oil pan, or all my oil pans are full, I'm pretty sure.
There's one.
Ooh, is that one empty?
Yep.
Yeah, that'll do. So slide that under there. And then I need to get my ratchet. Where are all my ratchets? What the heck? Oh yeah, I forgot about all these tools. That's my big one here. Yeah, there's another one. Alright, so we found the mystery of where are all the ratchets. Just been leaving them places. And where's my 14 though? Pretty sure it was, yep, right on the money. Alright. It does look like there's a crush washer under there. We will see. I am going to pass off my watch to Maya because I've learned that was stupid. Oh yeah.
Ooh, why does it look orange?
As long as it doesn't have metal in it, I'm happy with that. And that's what color it turns when it's used. Will you grab me that roll of paper towels, please?
Yes.
Alright, so I wasn't sure there was a crush washer on this one, but clearly there is. It has seen better days. That is, what the heck? There's a lot of corrosion on this bad boy. Pretty rusty. So I'm going to clean this up a bit. Alright, so we got it cleaned up around the edges, around here. Just got rid of all that rust and nasty crap. Made sure that there's not any pitting, you know, so it's not going to leak. But we also do have crush washers, which I'm going to make work. We got this. Don't we?
Yep.
Recording. Alright. Rocking and rolling. So I can get... Yeah. Can you see my hand? There we go. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Alright. So this here little oil filter, depending on how tight PFI put it on there, should be able to just loosen it with your hand. You really want to get all this crud out from around here, or else your thing won't fit flat. And man, that is just caked with crap. But
Dang.
that stuff you do not want to leave on there. And watch, now it's gonna leak. Because anytime you get rid of stuff like this, it's gonna start leaking. But a part of me will not allow it to be dirty because I cannot stand the sound of the bolts crunching on the sand and grime and ugh, my hair's in oil. So I get it screwed up there, trying to keep the crush washer perfectly. It's really hard to tell if you're aligned, unless you're under it. Oh yeah, that's dead on, man. I am good. Alright, what do I do with that ratchet?
It's right here.
Thank you. Just want to make sure she's center before you crush her down on there. And it doesn't take, you don't have to, you know, kill it. You just need to get it snug.
Nice. Where's the filter?
Right over here. Oh, where's that oil? Am I dipping my hair in that oil?
No.
Okay. We need.
The oil is warm.
This could get very messy. Tighten that puppy. Damn it. I need to go find my oil filter wrench and see if I can maneuver it in here. Subaru just doesn't give you enough room right here to even fit a wrench in. Come on, baby. No way.
Where even is the filter? Oh, that thing. Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Get some stuff. Come on. Oh, I think I got movement. Little by little, baby. Come on.
I see it slowly moving.
You little
Rascal.
Oh. This is usually not this hard. This is not supposed to be this hard. Because you really only need a tiny, like, quarter of a turn past hand tight, you know. That's usually sufficient for an oil filter. Try from this angle. You little
Witch. Got it.
freaking sticky or something, man. Okay. Oh, thank goodness.
Why did they have to make it that hard?
We got it. Oh, you don't want to over tighten them. They have like a rubber gasket type thing on the top of them. And you don't want to break that by tightening it too much. It can split. But a lot of people worry that they're going to leak, so they over tighten them, you know. But I'm also just weak. So, slow down. And you want to try and keep it straight up and down because it's filled with oil. So if you tip it on the way down, you can dump it straight in your face. Just like that. Bam. You just want to go wipe down the ring around it. Make sure there's nothing, you know, gunky. Anything that's going to stop the filter from screwing on perfectly. And then she'll finish dripping.
You. Oh, I can barely even get out.
You're over exaggerating. See that rubber gasket?
Yeah.
You want to take a little bit of this new oil and just dip it around the...
Yeah, like dip your finger in it and roll it around.
Yep, just to like weather in that seal. I usually just use from the top of the cap.
Why is it sticky?
And you can also just go ahead and pour a little bit on your jeans. But pour a little bit of it.
I like the color, it's pretty.
Okay. Then I'm just gonna crawl under there and I'm gonna
screw it on, and then are we gonna dump this inside of there? Or no?
from up top, yep.
Yay.
They put the cap back on that. You know, just coming together. Coming right along. Definitely need to clean her up some more. Definitely, but heck yeah. Alright, you guys, so it's late at night, still gotta go to work, so I'm gonna call it a night. I got the oil done though, so at least I know that much is done. Maya gave me a hand, which is so awesome having her out here. Just so awesome. It truly is. We're just gonna keep rolling non-stop with this stuff, you guys. I am in such a good mood and such a just in the spirit to get stuff done. Thank you enough for joining me. These stupid little projects of mine. But my kiddos learn a lesson and we're learning self-sufficiency and we are doing it, people. So just keep at your dreams and goals. Keep pushing forward with me, okay? You guys rock. We'll be back very, very, very soon. She's pretty purpled out. And that's all for pancreatic cancer awareness. I lost my dad to pancreatic cancer. He was a huge part of my car life. And yeah, he's my guardian angel pretty much, you know? So, fuck cancer. Purple is pancreatic cancer awareness. So, the Subaru has been rocking purple.